What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're going to be opening up a couple boxes, well, a few boxes because it's more than two, of parts for the all-wheel drive car. I want to make sure that I get to show these with y'all. I have not seen them, well, except for one of them I pulled out of a box, but the others I have not looked at. I have not unpackaged, so we're going to be looking at them together. And this is for the suspension side of the all-wheel drive car in the front. So I'm super excited. Let's just cut right to the chase and let's open these boxes and check out what we got that came in for the all-wheel drive car. Alright guys, we got 3 packages that came in for the all-wheel drive car. This one I did open up, so if it looked kind of roughed up and the way it looks when we open it, that was me. So here we have the 36mm hubs for K-Series. This will swap onto the, this is for the big hubs, the GSR, the Integra hubs. The Integra spindle, sorry. These hubs will bolt right on for a K-Series 36mm. So we got those that came in. That's going to be for the front hubs, which, for the front spindles, I keep saying hubs, which I have the spindles right over there. Okay. That's what we have. That's going to be for the suspension side. What else do we got? Oh, we had some bearings come in. They're actually Koyo. I think it's Koyo bearings for the front spindles. It says Timken on them, but they're actually Koyos. So we got some Koyo bearings for the front spindles. Let's see. We got the roll center adjusters from Blocks Racing. I know there's a lot of other brands, but upon doing research, come to find out that all of them are made in the same manufacturer plant. Why is it not focusing? Oh well, it's not focusing. But all of them remain in the same plant, so I went with the one that was the better price. So we have the Blocks Racing roll center adjusters. They're ball joints, but they're for when you are running a aggressive suspension, like lowered and stuff like that. These just handle better. So I believe it's better internals and everything. So these will be going on the spindles over there, you know, for us to use. Okay. This is the one I'm really excited about. I haven't even taken a sneak peek of this at all. This brown box. Not even peeked in it. I cut a slit in it so we can record this video. Also remove the shipping label so you can't stalk me. But here we go. Let's see. Oh, right there on top. From PCI Performance, which stands for Pro Car Innovations. Got some hardware. Oh, it's wrapped like that. Interesting. There we go. These are PCI's spherical upper control arms. Very sick. These are freaking awesome. So you'll see a lot of really good race cars running these. I think one of the distributors for this was Kingpin Machine. So yeah, boom. PCI front upper control arms. If I said lower earlier, I didn't mean lower. I meant upper. These are by PCI. Super nice. Look at that. Let me put them and lay them down. There we go. Get a good look at those. So you can see that construction right there. Super rigid. They have that interesting curvature to them. Flip them over. It's the bottom. Super nice. Super nice. Everything you need, man. It's right here. Really excited. Really excited. And they gave me bolts and stuff like that. I believe these are to bolt into the chassis on the side, on each side. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes, how that works out for us. Let's see what else they give us in the box, just to make sure there's nothing else in here. It's one. Two. Yeah. Okay, it's just the other side. So one thing I did notice is we do not have those bushings that go over here. We may have to get those aftermarket, the aftermarket bushings that go over here, unless these bolt differently. I'm gonna really have to look at how these go together inside this chassis. Let's see what we're supposed to have. We're supposed to have a spacer or something like that. So we'll figure it out. But yeah, beautiful PCI machine. PCI upper control arm, excuse me. Let's see. Oh, and they didn't have a part number on the box. Right here. Let's see what it says. Gave me a sticker. Let's see. Oh, yeah, the bolts do go through there. Okay, so this one doesn't utilize the bushing. It's just solid. Awesome, guys. Well, super excited to get these. Really looking forward to putting these in. We will be doing a video on installing all of this into the car. Looking forward to it greatly. So yeah, guys, just be sure to tune in, and we'll be doing an install video on all these parts, the whole front suspension on this car. So yeah, looking forward to it, guys. Be sure to tune in, and talk to you next time. Bye.